Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our English class. So in this video you are going to learn grammar part which is in page number 87. I want everyone to take page number 87. Okay, so here we are going to learn about common noun and proper noun. Okay, common noun and proper noun. Okay, first what is noun? Noun is a naming word, right? Yes. So noun is divided into two types. One is common noun and proper noun. Okay. So in this class you are going to learn about common noun and proper noun. So first, common noun. If a naming word denotes a person in general, it is common noun. Okay. So we know noun as a naming word. So that naming word, if it denotes a person in general, then it is called as common noun. Okay, it is different from proper noun. If a word denotes a person or a thing in general, then it is called as common noun. For example, here you can see a picture of a girl, right? So here the naming word girl can be used for any girl. Okay, we can call any girl as a girl, right? So we call as a common. So this is a common noun. Okay, so here are some naming words that denotes the person and things in common. So below they have given some words, right? Some naming words. So these words, it will denote both the persons and things in common. Okay, shall we learn? Yes. First one, boy. So we call boy as a common noun. Pen. So we have many types of pen, but in common we call as a pen. Okay, city. So there are many city, but we call in common as a city. Fruit. We have different types of fruits, right? So but in common we call as a fruit. Okay, book. We have many books, but in common we call as a book. King. So we have many kings over us, right? So in common we call as a king. Animal. So we have both wild animals, domestic animals, but in common we call as a animal. Birds. Yes, birds also we have so much kind of birds, but in common we call as a bird. Game. There are many kind of game, but we call as a game. Yes. So this is known as common noun. So if a name denotes a person in general, then it is known as common noun. Okay. Next, proper noun. So proper noun is just different from common noun. Okay. So if a naming word denotes a person in particular, then it is proper noun. It is different from common noun. Okay. So common noun, it denotes in general, right? But in proper noun it denotes a particular. It will specify a particular name or a particular person or a thing. Okay. So this is known as proper noun. So here, so in the above picture, for common noun, so they have given a girl, right? Commonly they are calling this picture as a girl, but in the below proper noun, they specify the girl name Netra. So this is the difference between common noun and proper noun. So if a word denotes a person or a thing in particular, it is known as proper noun. So here the naming word Netra is used for a particular girl, right? So we won't call a girl in a common noun. Okay, we specify her name or we specify anything particularly in proper noun. So it is a proper noun. Okay, so I think you understand about common noun and proper noun. Common noun is nothing but it is a word which denotes a person or thing in general, whereas proper noun means it denotes a person or a thing in particular. It will specify the particular name. Okay. So here are some naming words that denote the person and thing in particular. So below they have given some proper nouns. Shiva. Shiva is a boy. So boy means common noun. Shiva means proper noun. Okay. Madurai. So Madurai is a city, right? So city is a common noun. Commonly we call city, but specifying which city it is, so it is known as proper noun, that is Madurai. Okay. Chennai. Chennai is also common noun, we will call as a city, but if we specify that particular place, then it will be called as Chennai, right? Mala is a name of a girl. Tamil is a particular subject or particular language. Then Pari is also a name. Okay, so they are specifying the names and the things. Okay, specifying the names of a particular person. Okay, so this is known as proper noun. So English is a language, so they are denoting a language in particular, so this is known as proper noun. Okay, next, circle the pictures that denotes person or things in common. So I want you to take your pencil. So we are going to circle the picture that denotes person or thing in common. We are going to circle whichever is common noun in this box. Okay, so first one, girl. So the girl is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, very good. Girl is a common noun, so you have to circle girl. Whereas puja is common noun or proper noun? Very good. Puja is a proper noun. We should not circle. Okay, only common noun we have to circle. Book. Book is a, commonly we call a book as a book, right? It may be any kind of book, but commoner will call a book as a book. So this is a common noun. You have to circle book. Next, English book. So book is common noun, whereas English book is not common noun. It comes under particular noun. Proper noun. Okay, so we should not circle English book. We have to circle only book. Tree. Tree is a common noun. Mango tree is not a common noun. It comes under proper noun. So circle tree. Boy. Boy is a common noun, whereas Arun is not a common noun. You have to circle boy. So girl, book, tree and boy you have to circle. All these are common noun. Okay, shall we move to the next part? Circle the pictures that denote person or thing in particular. Okay, so here we are going to circle the proper noun. Okay, so first one, Raju. Raju is a boy, but his name is Raju, right? So here Raju is a proper noun. They specified that boy's name, so this is proper noun. Circle Raju. Mango. Mango is a fruit. Commoner will call as a fruit, but proper noun means mango, so you have to circle mango. Doctor. Doctor is a common noun. We have many kind of doctor. We have many sub kinds of doctors, right? So doctor is a common noun. You should not circle. Book. Book is also a common. Animal is also a common. Soldier. Soldier is not a common. It is a proper noun. Okay, so Raju, mango, soldier. Color the common noun green and proper noun blue. So in the following you have to take green color and blue color. Okay, you have to color green for common noun and you have to color blue for proper noun. Okay, so for example, fruit. Fruit is a common noun, so you have to color green. Okay, then onion. Onion is not a common noun, it is a proper noun. You have to color it with blue color. Okay, Vellore is a proper noun. Okay, so grapes. Grape is also a proper noun. Okay, so identify this. This is your homework. Identify common noun and proper noun and color it. Okay, so in green color you have to color it for common noun and blue color you have to color it for proper noun. So this is your homework. Okay, do it and send it to me. Thank you, students.